Willkommen zurück zu Let's Play The Wolf Among Us. Wir suchen Bloody Mary. Wow. Ah, ich habe B gedrückt. Sie ist so fucking schnell. Ah. Ich bin immer ausgewichen.
Where are you? Come out and face me.
Aha. Oh fuck, was ist sie? Oh, ein Dämon mit Spiegelsplitter in sich hinein. Ah, bist du grusig. Ach, das hat schon mal nicht funktioniert. Ah shit, ich hätte es probieren, hä? Oh man, grusig. Geh weg von mir! Du bist so grusig! Du bist so grusig! Wow, voll auf sie drauf, oder? Ich bin bereit für WASD und Q und E. Und klicken. Wenn ich nur etwas machen könnte gegen sie. What? What? Oh fuck. Ich mache jede einzelne fertig. Jede einzelne. Das ist die richtige. Oder auch nicht. Ich habe geklickt. Ah! Oh man. Beweg dich schneller, Picky. Du bist der grosse böse Wolf. Oh fuck. Ich habe geklickt. Ich habe geklickt. Ja, also. Oh man, oh man. Ah! Ah! Oh. Whoa. Whoa. This isn't even my final form. Oh. Okay. Au. Au. Was willst du machen, hä? Oh man, oh man. Oh fuck. Big bad wolf. Jetzt hat sie ein bisschen Angst, hä? Vielleicht auch nicht. Verbeiss es einfach. Yeah. Yeah! Oh man, oh man. Es kommt immer mehr, es kommt immer mehr. Irgendwo muss sie sein, irgendwo muss sie sein. Ich habe Angst, dass Silber über mich drüber... Oh, jetzt schreie ich. Oh yeah! Oder ich blase... Ah, ich blase, logisch! Mit den 3 kleinen Schweinchen. Aha. Aha. Come, Bloody Mary. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Ah, was macht sie? Yeah, das ist glaub ich die richtige. Nein, don't slice me. Uff. Ist die richtig gewesen? I think so. Puh. Ich glaube, ich habe es geschafft. Warum das ihre Gun nicht genommen hat, verstehe ich nicht, aber warum er blutig ist, wegen dem Stab, oder? Es war ja nur ein Spiegel gewesen. Hey, Kirky. I'm gonna get you too.
Hello, Bigby. You look tired.
Give me one good reason not to rip you apart right now.
Oh!
This gun holds 6 rounds of specially designed silver bullets.
Ah, ich mache jetzt nichts, sonst bin ich
I
tot.
may not be the best shot, but I can guarantee that at least one bolt will meet its mark, and you'll find yourself rolling on the floor in agony.
Sollen wir angreifen?
Heal yourself.
Nein, ich will
For
nicht
that
umbringen.
swinehart to save you, you'll die. Is that reason enough for you? Before you do anything with me, I thought I should point out a few things. Snow White wants you to bring me back to the woodlands, doesn't she? And that's what I want.
That's
That's the
right.
plan.
But what happens to you once you get there is a different story.
I'm not quite finished. You will bring me back alive.
Das ist der Plan.
Look, all I ask for is the chance to speak for myself in front of the community. And I'm sure Miss White would agree that I should be given a fair trial. Can we at least agree on that? I will have a trial. Are we clear?
You need to tell me right now. We're not going anywhere until I get some answers from you.
If you want answers, you're going to have to cooperate with me. Look, there's no reason for us to be at each other's throats here.
That's funny, coming from a guy pointing a gun at me.
Yep.
This is just a precaution. I'm sure you understand. I'm no murderer, Mr. Wolf. I didn't kill those women.
Das weiß ich.
And I think you know that. All I'm asking for is a chance to explain my side of the story.
If you're
What
not a
are
killer,
you?
Then what are you?
I'm a businessman, not a killer.
There's
Mafia-Boss,
still
ja.
a lot you have to answer for.
And I will, as long as you agree to my terms. Because I'm not saying another word until I'm brought before the community.
Okay. Ich will
I
dich
don't need to
Lebige
belabor the
lebendig
point,
rausbringen.
But just so we're clear, if you change your mind and decide to do something stupid, you won't get your answers. But you will have a difficult time explaining yourself to Miss White and the rest of this miserable town. You're often reckless, and I worry you're not thinking of the... Let me ask you an honest question. What do you really care about here? Where this case is concerned, I mean.
It's about
Do you really want
Fabletown.
the truth?
This is about protecting Fabletown. Some asshole murders 2 of our people. It's my job to bring them down.
Then why are you here? You know who murdered them.
Aber ich weiss, wer den Befehl gegeben hat.
Georgie.
Das George ja nicht
He's
angebracht.
dead, isn't he? My point being, the killer has been dealt with. You've won.
Nope.
You really think I'm that stupid?
I understand you have an obligation to bring me in, but you can brighten up a little. It's over. So, shall we get going? I'd rather not dawdle. You know, I'm actually looking forward to seeing Miss White again.
All right, let's go. Hand over the gun.
I think I'd rather hold on to it, if you don't mind. What do you say?
Also gut, behalt's.
Fine.
Ah, cool.
I'm sure Miss White will be pleased. Such a reliable pup. I understand why she'd want to keep you around.
Mir
You're
ist
under
Kette dann.
arrest. You'll be given a trial in front of your peers. And your punishment will follow.
I hope so. Ich glaube, er hat irgendwas in der Hinterhand. Irgendwas. Vielleicht ist Snow White wirklich mit drin.
I know. But we have to do something. Are you fucking kidding me?
When is this thing
Are
happening?
we sure he's coming?
Yes, you'll have an opportunity to. He's back.
The crooked man.
God.
Motherfucker.
Are you okay? It's been hours. We were worried you'd run into some trouble.
I'm fine.
At the Crooked Man's place.
It's nothing. I'm fine.
I guess you've been worse.
Mm-hmm.
You did well, Sheriff. I'm surprised. Not that you did well, but that, you know...
You know.
I'm just glad you made it back in one piece.